Hello, good day. Welcome. Today we are going to be looking at BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, question 25. BECE 2018 Basic Science Past Question, question 25. Which of the following items is biodegradable? Which of the following item is biodegradable? A. Unused plastic, B. Papers, C. Glass, and D. Banana peels. So we are asked to find the item that is biodegradable. Biodegradable. Now, what does this biodegradable means? This simply means what? Items that can be decomposed. Items that can be decomposed. And this simply means what? Item that can be destroyed or acted upon by microorganisms. So we have to pick an item which can be destroyed or which can be decomposed by microorganisms. Now, when you say biodegradable materials, refer to those materials that can be destroyed or decomposed. Then the non-biodegradable materials will be those that cannot be decomposed or acted upon by microorganisms. Now, A here says what? A says unused plastic. And like we know, plastic cannot be acted upon by what? Microorganisms. Plastic cannot be decomposed. B here says paper. We also know that paper is not an organic material, so it cannot be decomposed. Glass also is not an organic material, it cannot be decomposed. Now, D says banana peel. Banana peel is a what? Is a plant material. And like we know, plant and animal what? Materials, or plant and animal products can be decomposed. They can be acted upon by microorganisms. Like this banana peel. Now, when you leave banana peel for a long time, you discover that microorganisms will act on it and then what? Destroy it. It will decay. That's what it just simply means. It will what? Decay. So from this, you see that what? Banana peel is a biodegradable material because it can be acted upon by microorganisms and they can destroy it. Unlike the plastic, the papers, and the glass that are not biodegradable, they cannot be destroyed by microorganisms. So our answer is D, banana peels. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel for more videos.